Tired of being chained to your computer just to tweak your Shopify store? Well, grab your iPhone because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to customize your Shopify store, manage products, and keep your business humming, all from the palm of your hand. First, open the Shopify app on your iPhone and tap the store icon at the bottom. This is your central hub. Next, select Online Store, then tap Customize. This opens the mobile theme editor. Here, you can make basic design changes. Tap on Header to edit your logo and announcement, or explore the different sections of your homepage to rearrange elements or add new ones. Let's change the announcement bar text. Tap the bar, type in your new message, and hit Save. See, easy peasy. Now, let's manage some products. Head back to the main dashboard. Tap Products. Here's a list of all your items. Tap on the product you want to edit. You can now change the title, description, pricing, or even add new images. Just tap on the field you want to change and type away. Let's quickly adjust the price. Tap the price field, enter the new amount, and tap the check mark to save. There you go. Updated product, right from your iPhone. You can also manage orders, track analytics, and respond to customer inquiries, all from this handy app. So, ditch the desktop, embrace the freedom, and manage your Shopify store from anywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.